Adam, TripAdvisor, I mean,
Yeah.
in the world we're in 2014, there is not a thing that digital doesn't touch. We have screens everywhere. What kind of a challenge does that face for you guys trying to create a product that you want people to contribute to as well as consume?
Yeah, I think it's actually an opportunity. We look at TripAdvisor where we have 300 million users a month across all of our sites, all of our platforms, but 100 million of those people are using us on mobile, so they are taking TripAdvisor, planning their trips on the desktop, and then taking TripAdvisor with them on their trips, and we've launched a whole bunch of features that really enable that and improve that experience so that they plan, take it on their trip, and then come back and share with other people.
That's the thing, curation on the go. I mean, in the past you were locked into an inventory or whatever you were locked into,
Right.
and now you can basically edit your trip as you go along.
Yeah, not only can you edit, I mean, you can contribute, you can write a review, you can be reminded of, I was at that restaurant, I can check in, I can add a photo, I can make the site better, I can participate in the community. But along the way, the trip gets better because you get this real-time information. We have a feature called Near Me Now on the phone, so you press this button called Near Me Now, and it shows you the best restaurants or the best attractions right near you. And it's great for those use cases like, I just came out of the museum and it's time to eat, or my kids, I had a great afternoon planned, but my kids are not ready to go to another museum. What can we do that's within a few minutes walk? And that's the power of mobile and this real-time community.
Would you say though that these are things you could have dreamed of years ago and they're all here now, but it doesn't that create a headache in terms of trying to come up with the right product and keep the consistency?
It does, it does create this challenge of how are people using these devices and that ongoing evolution. So you look at a product like Uber, which we just integrated with, we integrated into our phone app, right? This idea of getting a real-time transport, on demand from where you are to where you want to go, I think is a great evolution of products, and we try to stay on top of that.
And in terms of the big things you guys are working on, looking into 2015,
Yep.
Screens everywhere, everyone expects stuff before it even happens. What are you guys working on that's going to be huge in 2015?
Yeah, some of our big initiatives have to do with multi-device travel planning. So things like Instant Book, where you can, on the desktop or on mobile, book a hotel directly through TripAdvisor. You don't have to jump from screen to screen and site to site, but the real-time pricing and availability is right there. You press a button, put in your credit card, and now you've booked it. Personalization, so we just launched this feature called Just For You. And Just For You is all about taking this massive amount of content that we have and tailoring it for you. So we give you the hotel recommendations that are relevant for you and weed out the hotels that are not going to be the right fit for you based on your past reviewing history or past browsing history, or even your interaction with the site telling us, on this trip I'm looking for a hotel with a pool, or I'm looking for a family-friendly hotel. Those are both areas where users really get a better experience because of the multiple screens and all of the content that we have.